Hello everybody, welcome to this session. The objective of this session is to see how to scrap a particular material batch in the plant. Alright, and now one of the major reason to scrap any material batch could be the shelf life expiry, or the batch could be damaged, or there could be a number of reasons. The stock quality could not be good. So in that case, what we do, we scrap it up. And how to scrap that we are going to see. Now for that, we will be looking at through MB1A first, and we will be looking at the same thing through MIGO. So through MB1A, let's go. So the transaction code, as it suggests, is MB1A. I'm going inside. So here the movement type, what you would be using is 551. 551 is basically for scrapping. So we scrap the you can see here you are going to withdraw the material for scrapping. That means it cannot be used for any other purpose. And I'm going to use 0001. Press enter. So I'm going to use the material which is handled in a batch, MMBE. Okay. Okay, let's see how many materials we have. Around 3 batches for this: 452, 453, and 454. So this is 1000, this is 10, and this is 10. So let me see for this particular batch. So I'm going into the batch right now. It's only 10. Okay, so let me copy this, and then I'm going into the batch change master, because I would like to see that what is the status of this particular batch right now. Okay, now here you can see that this particular batch was manufactured on 1st of January 2018, and its shelf life expiry was till 24th of August. So that means this particular batch, as of today, it stands expired, and now we would like to scrap it. Basically in real time, what happens, there could be many material batches which will go for a recurring inspection. So we'll be talking about recurring inspections in detail in upcoming videos. So as of now, this is one of the case scenario what we are going to discuss for the scrapping. We are assuming here hypothetically that this particular batch, it is expired, it has attained its shelf life, and it is not going for recurring inspection. It cannot be used for any other purpose, so we are going to scrap it. So the batch and the batch is pretty good to be expired and to be scrapped. So we are going to use this material 0102. The quantity was 10, and the batch was, okay, what was the batch? 454, yeah. And it was 10 eaches. Sorry, I need to have a hyphen here. Okay, best before date of the batch has been exceeded. Okay, we did a mistake here. We had to enter the cost center, scrap, and okay, 201. Press enter. So you can see here now it has picked up the goods issue cost center is scrap, and it has picked up all the details. It has picked up. So let's try hitting the save button now. You can see that the document has been posted, right? Okay, so the document is posted. Let's go and see in MMBE what is the status. So that particular batch should not be visible anymore. So you can see here 5454, this is not visible here anymore. Now let's go back to the MB03 and let's see. So it says 551 negative, and here it says for 10 each for this particular material. So 551 is for scrapping, so this particular material batch is scrapped now. Okay, the same thing how you would do through MIGO is you go to MIGO, and here you will do goods issue. When it says other, here you will pick up the moment type as 551, which is basically for scrapping, withdrawal for scrapping. So you can see here goods issue scrapping. That means this will be this particular material we are taking out of the books, and we are going to scrap it. It will not be in the books anymore, and its valuation will not be counted. All right, so the material is R-0102, then the quantity, let's say 10 each. Okay, where, let's say the plant is BTPL, storage location. Okay, now press enter, and then we have a partner 4007. It's not required, actually partner is not required. Batch, we had 453, we have earlier used 453, sorry 454. Now let's see, 453 is there. How much is that? Yeah, 453 is there. It is again 10 each. All right, so we're gonna scrap 453, and the cost center would be scrap. So we have done everything now, and let's see if in case there's any issue. You see that here the document is okay, so we are ready to scrap it, and we just post it. So the moment when you post it, it says metal document posted. All right, 3000187, and let me go to the display. So it has picked up the same metal number, and you can see here it has 551 negative, and here you can see that this is a material and this is a quantity, so this much is scrapped. All right, so my expectation is that this will be vanished from here the moment I refresh. So you can see here 453 is also vanished, so that means this is scrapped. All right, so this is how you will be doing the scrubbing through MIGO. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit like, and do share and subscribe. Thank you so much.